Oh yeah, it's early
Coffee.
March, and you know, our average high should be in the low 70s. We're going to be 30 degrees shy of that.
Yikes.
Here today. It's misty.
Hello.
It's blustery. Winds are up near 20 miles per hour, and it's cold, 39 degrees. But you can see here evidence that traffic is flowing smooth on SPID. It is cold, but it's not to the point where we're talking about any freezing things happening here early this morning. That could change a little bit tonight, but only with regard to temperature. They are very cold. Some people flirting with freezing. It's 34 over in Mathis, 35 in Hebronville. Lots of mid to upper 30s as you approach the coast, and the coastal locations are closer to 40. But you see the winds out of the north, 15 to 20 miles per hour. That is making it feel like below freezing for everybody except for Flower Bluff. But you know, it is very cold, and it's going to stay that way all day long. In addition to that, we have a little bit of mist, drizzle falling, but it's, you know, it's very light. It's not enough to really create puddles on the road, although it may be a little damp in spots. And within some of this, it's possible that we get a little bit of sleet or grapple out of this morning's little drizzle. So we've had that happen a few times so far this winter. It's not problematic, and it will not make roads hazardous to drive on, but you may hear some maybe ice pellets off the windshield of your car as you're driving around. That's going to be very isolated though, if any at all. And this is all thanks to the front that came through yesterday. It's now in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's producing snow up in New England, where they're at 34, we're at 39, so our weather's not all that different than up in the Northeast. But now you see how cold it is for the central and northern parts of the country. Lots of sub-zero temperatures, the wind chill 20 below in Chicago and Minneapolis, so it's even below zero on the wind chill in Amarillo. So it's cold this morning. Feels like 7 over in Dallas, and it feels like 30 degrees here in balmy Corpus Christi. We will have again a shot at that very isolated sleet or grapple. That's what these pink shades showing up on Futurecast are indicating. We'll be in the mid to upper 30s this morning, and then still some patchy drizzle, but the trend will be to get rid of that as we head toward tonight. Temperatures topping out in the upper 30s to low 40s today. A little bit of clearing tonight. That's going to make for a very cold night of weather. So northern and western counties of the viewing area may observe a light freeze overnight. Places like Jim Wells, Duval, Bee, and Live Oak counties up to our north could see again a brief drop to at or below freezing. So sensitive plants should be inside, and everybody needs to have their pets inside both today and tonight. Tomorrow, a little bit of an improvement, upper 40s and low 50s with a mix of sun and clouds. 42 today, though. It's going to be very cold and blustery, a little damp at times with patchy drizzle, but also sleet, grapple possible, not as likely as the drizzle. North wind at 12 to 22 miles per hour. Mid-30s tonight. Bundle up, bring the pets in. Plants, you know, cover them up if you're worried about them. I don't think we have any pipe concerns here in Corpus Christi. A little milder each day this week, back to the upper 50s by Wednesday, and 70s here Thursday and Friday before another front may make its way this way. Does that make sense?
Send me on my way.
John Thomas.
Send me on the